Alright guys, so this thing only takes about 5 minutes at a time of video, so unfortunately this is not looking great because you can't see it on the light sensor or whatever in the camera. It does not do well in low light. So we'll do a quick setup. Not sure what we'll be able to see, what you won't be able to see. It's dark. It's dark as heck. Do a quick run through of the drone, make sure there's no damage on it. Let's grab the battery, stick it in. And make sure that we have all our devices here. We'll do one at a time. So the Hubsan Mini SE is ready to go. Now we need to set up the DJI Mini 3. Let's get that running too. And you're gonna like it, but unfortunately you won't be able to see how cool it is because it's just so incredibly dark today. I don't know what's going on. It looked pretty good yesterday, but we need some strong light to shine on it to make it so that you can see how cool it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. In all its elegant glory. Okay, so we'll put these things out there. Make sure that we turn on the drone remotes first. You wouldn't want them flying away. You wouldn't want them flying away. One. Okay, that's on, which is great. I want to make sure we remove the lens cover on this one. Don't want to lose the lens cover. Wouldn't want to lose the lens cover. That would be a horrible tragedy. This turns on right away, which is really cool. Let's go put them over there. Okay, that should do it for most of the setup, but we still got to put phones in and stuff. So we still got to put the phone-ins. Phone-ins. Get the other phone. And we'll do that in part 2 because we're almost at 5 minutes.